Hey, it's Miguel, and this is A Cup and Pages. And we're back with another coffee with me. Actually, this is more of a coffee dessert, so grab yourself a Nutella, marshmallow fluff, and you saw in the intro a blowtorch. This is a sign that you should have a blowtorch. It's so much fun, so let's get it. Grab yourself the marshmallow fluff. Ooh, yeah. It's a little messy. This will get a little messy. Grab yourself a cup, and we're gonna rim this with a marshmallow fluff. So move aside, Starbucks. This is the ultimate S'mores Latte. Actually, shout out to Sea Market in Coquitlam, BC. That's the first time I had their marshmallow latte. Look at this. We're gonna toast this up. But yeah, since I don't live in near Sea Market anymore, I decided to make it my own. Had some creative changes to it, which you'll see. But if you have a chance, if you're in BC, you're in Vancouver, you definitely should check them out. I'll link them down below. Look how toasty this is. If you want to burn some stuff, you could also do it. It's your preference. How do you like your marshmallow? You could do that here. Also, just a little bit of a heads up. This is the best time to use your least favorite beans. If you have old ones, like, don't use your freshest specialty coffee. I feel like that would be a little bit of a waste. You know, you're gonna be mixing this with Nutella as we're doing right now, so it's gonna be overpowered. Don't do it. Also, have yourself a treat. That spoon that you use to rim with the marshmallow, toast that. You could eat it right now. Sick. Treat yourself. So make your espresso, link up above, pour it in, mix it in, mix it well, and this is gonna be the base of our hazelnut mocha, which, by the way, is not part of the original Sea Market recipe. It was just a regular latte, but I thought, why not make it a mocha and make it a s'mores latte? You're welcome, Sea Market. As we're mixing that, we gotta get ready for our milk because this is a mocha. That's also link up above. Mix it up a little bit with the milk. Maybe make some latte art. You don't have to, you just pour it straight in. But it's pretty. Put it over a nice plate, a server, because this wouldn't be s'mores without the graham crackers. Is that how it's pronounced? Graham? Graham? Anyways, there's multiple ways to enjoy it. Drink it with the marshmallow, drink it without the marshmallow. You know, dip the graham crackers in it, in the mocha. The marshmallow with the mocha. It really is like so versatile, you know? What a great dessert. Anyways, thanks for making coffee with me. This is Miguel, and this is A Cup and Pages. God bless.